This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Paige Peugh. The place seniors love to be. This home is full of modern touches, built in 2018, and offers one-level living. It's built on a concrete slab with a two-car attached garage. The open floor plan offers the popular modern feel in today's market. The current owner has added upgrades that make this house stand out as special. Remove glass panels on the sun porch, and you have a screened porch. A walkable community is full of friendly neighbors. The association fee covers mowing, trash pickup, and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Paige Peugh at 706-633-9969.